Imagine waking up one night, stepping outside and looking up to see not one, but two bright moons glowing in the sky. The second moon is almost as big and bright as the first, casting a mysterious silver light all around. People everywhere are stunned, some scared, amazed, some amazed. How did this happen? What does it mean for our planet and for us? Tonight we explore the incredible story of what would happen if Earth suddenly got a second moon. Our Earth's moon isn't just a pretty thing in the night sky. It plays a huge role in keeping life balanced here. For starters, the moon's gravity pulls on the oceans, creating tides that rise and fall every day. These tides affect marine life and even help regulate Earth's climate. The moon also helps stabilize Earth's rotation. Without it, our planet might wobble more, causing extreme changes in seasons and weather. Plus, the moon provides soft light at night, guiding animals and inspiring humans for thousands of years with stories and myths. So, our single moon is a quiet hero, keeping many parts of life on Earth in harmony. So how could Earth suddenly get a second moon? It sounds like science fiction, but there are a few ways it might happen. One way is if Earth captured an asteroid passing nearby. Sometimes space rocks get caught in Earth's gravity for a while. We call these mini-moons. If a bigger asteroid got trapped, it could become a second moon. Another idea is if a big asteroid hit the moon or Earth, breaking apart and creating a new, smaller moon from the debris. Though rare, these events show it's not impossible for Earth to have a second moon, even if just for a short time. If Earth suddenly had two moons, the big question would be, how would they move around us? Moons don't just float randomly, they follow paths called orbits held by Earth's gravity. Two moons would have to share this space carefully to avoid crashing into each other or falling out of orbit. Sometimes one moon might orbit closer while the other stays farther away, or they might follow each other like a dance around Earth. But if their orbits get too close or unstable, one moon could crash into Earth or be flung into space. Scientists believe that for two moons to stay around Earth long term, their orbits would need to be just right, a delicate cosmic balance. Earth's tides are caused by the moon's gravity pulling on our oceans, making the water rise and fall every day. But what if there were two moons pulling at the water instead of one? With a second moon, tides could become much stronger or much more complicated. Sometimes the moon's gravity might work together, causing huge high tides, and other times they might pull in different directions, creating strange low tides. This would change the rhythm of our coasts, affecting beaches, marine animals, and even human activities like fishing and shipping. Imagine a world where the ocean behaves in ways we've never seen before, constantly changing with the dance of two moons. Our moon helps keep Earth's spin steady and stable. This stability controls the length of our days and the changing seasons. But what if a second moon joined in? The extra gravity from another moon could change Earth's rotation speed or tilt slightly. Even small changes in tilt can cause big shifts in climate. Maybe longer winters, hotter summers, or unusual weather patterns. This could affect how plants grow, when animals migrate, and even how people live and farm. Life on Earth would have to adapt to these new, unpredictable changes caused by the pull of two moons. Many animals rely on the moon for important behaviors. Sea turtles use moonlight to find their way to the ocean, birds navigate by the night sky, and some insects time their activities based on the moon's cycle. With two moons in the sky, these natural signals could get mixed up. Animals might become confused by the changing light and tides, which could affect their feeding, mating, or migration. Even plants that respond to moonlight or tides might have to adjust. A second moon could disrupt nature's delicate rhythm, creating challenges for ecosystems around the world. Humans have always been fascinated by the moon. It shapes our calendars, inspires stories, and influences our emotions. But what if suddenly there were two moons in the sky? People might create new myths and legends about the twin moons. Nighttime would feel different, maybe more magical or even eerie. Our calendars and timekeeping might change to include the cycles of both moons. Psychologically, seeing two moons every night could affect how we feel, from wonder and inspiration to confusion or fear. The sky would never look the same again, and our culture would grow in new, unexpected ways. So, could Earth really have a second moon that stays around for a long time? The truth is, it's complicated. Gravity pulls moons toward Earth, but moons also need to move fast enough sideways to avoid falling down. If a second moon gets too close or moves the wrong way, it might crash into Earth or get flung back into space. Scientists have observed small mini-moons that orbit Earth briefly before leaving again, but a stable big second moon like our current one would need the perfect orbit, a very delicate balance that's hard to maintain. While not impossible, having two moons for a long time would be a rare cosmic event. Do you know that some ancient cultures believed Earth once had two moons? The Mayans and some early astronomers wondered if the second moon disappeared long ago. Also, Earth occasionally captures tiny mini-moons, small asteroids that orbit us for a short time before moving on. These stories and facts remind us how the moon has always captured human imagination, and how a second moon could add even more mystery to our night sky. A second moon would change Earth in ways big and small, from stronger tides to shifts in climate to new stories and mysteries in our skies. It would challenge nature, animals, and even how humans see the world. But most of all, it would remind us how connected we are to the cosmos, and how a small change in space can change life on Earth forever. What do you think would be the biggest change if Earth had two moons? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science stories.